Biography of General Akhtar Abdur Rahman. General Akhtar Abdur Rahman, the silent soldier who changed history. Lahore staff reporter, former chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, and ex-Director General of Pakistan's Inter-Services Intelligence (ISI). General Akhtar Abdur Rahman was a man who not only left a deep imprint on Pakistan's military history but also played a pivotal role in organizing the Afghan resistance against the Soviet Union. General Akhtar Abdur Rahman was born on June 11, 1924. His father, Dr. Abdur Rahman, passed away when he was a child. After completing his early education, he earned a master's degree in economics from a government college, Lahore, and joined the British Indian Army in 1946. After the creation of Pakistan, he became part of Pakistan's army and participated in three major wars: 1948, 1965, and 1971. His strategic brilliance and courage during the 1965 war, particularly in the defense of Lahore sector, earned him great recognition. Role as DG ISI in 1979. President General Ziaul Haq appointed him as the Director General of the ISI. The same year, the Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan. General Akhtar established an effective network to support the Afghan Mujahideen through covert collaboration with the United States and Saudi Arabia. The operation not only forced Soviet forces to retreat but also alleviated Pakistan's status as a key strategic player on the global stage. Sources describe General Akhtar as a silent soldier, a man who made monumental decisions away from the public eye. Under his leadership, the ISI emerged as one of the most influential intelligence agencies in the world. High office and tragic end. In 1987, General Akhtar was promoted to Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee. A year later, on August 17, 1988, he was martyred in a plane crash that also claimed the lives of President General Ziaul Haq, US Ambassador Arnold Raphael, and several senior military officials. The incident remains shrouded in mystery to this day, with numerous conspiracy theories surrounding its cause, legacy, and influence. Following General Akhtar's death, Pakistan's Afghan policy and intelligence structure suffered a major setback. His sons Humayun Akhtar Khan and Haroon Akhtar Khan later emerged as prominent figures in national politics. Analysts considered General Akhtar Abdur Rahman among those rare military leaders of Pakistan who, though working quietly behind the scenes, played a decisive role in shaping the course of history. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, and Elvex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323478787. You are watching Udan News.